Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video we are going to show you how to install roof rack on Mercedes W204. We need to install a really good, dependable roof rack because we will be transporting big surfboards. Okay, so big surfboards will catch quite a bit of air, so I need to make sure that I have a really good sturdy roof rack. And the Mercedes one, quite expensive guys. I'm using Aftermarket one and we'll show you how to fit that thing and how you can secure it actually with bolts to the vehicle. So if you have a W204 C-Class from 2080, 2015 model guys, stay with us and we'll show you how to do that. We're still restoring this one. You have to put the chrome piece here, fix the hood. As you know, the car was wrecked and we bought it from an auction. Check out the video for more information. It's on our channel, so let's start on it now. So for that purpose guys, we have to remove, okay, the windshield trim and the roof trim right here. Left and right side will be identical, so stay with us and we're going to show you, okay, how to do it. So we need to get a plastic removal tools, like plastic panel removal tools, and usually you're going to start, okay, on this side right here. With the plastic ones you're not going to damage the paint, but still be very careful not to actually, okay, scratch it and pry on it too much. You need to go under the seal, okay, right here, and we'll need to start prying. Okay, we got one clip out. Now I'm going to get the bigger tool right here. Okay, careful around the cap here. Okay, a few more. You still cannot pull it out because it goes under the rear glass. Okay, right here. So now what we can do, we can actually, okay, pull it like that. And I'm going to show you where all the clips are in just a second. Okay. We still have a few more to go. Okay, here it's a little bit tight. Okay, perfect. Here we have two more that came out already. Okay, here you have to be careful never to pry on the windshield, because if you pry on the windshield, okay, you might break it. So, okay, it comes out of the way, just like that. Now let me show you where all the clips are. Okay, check it out here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here 5, 6. So you can see how many clips we have. So the aftermarket roof rack, I'll have to have those things removed, the caps. That's why we remove the whole trim, so I can remove those caps and not break them and install them later. Stay with us to see how to remove them now. So all you have to do, okay, open the cap, okay, like that. Now on this side, okay, right here you have to push in, okay, and pull it out on both sides. Okay, like that. Now you can remove that piece. Okay, that piece comes out of here, and then the cap goes towards the inside. It never comes from the outside. And you can see this is the cap right here. So we're going to store them because if we remove the roof rack we want to install them. Now we don't have them there anymore. You can see we just have the caps. And I'm going to go ahead actually and install, okay, the trim on the car now. And it's important, let me show you right here, it's important to go on the back side under the seal for the rear window. Okay, and then from there you're going to go ahead, start on one side and just, okay, start pushing it in. Okay, here it's in. So right here this clip goes on the inside. Okay, so you need to, okay, help it a little bit, okay, like that. We have a few more here. And I just came out of the rear window, so remember that you need to be under the rear window seal. Okay, right there. And okay, let's start again now. Okay, right here. Here we came out again. So you have to constantly keep an eye on it, and you can come see. Okay, let me show you. Okay, right here it's under this seal. Okay, like that. So now let's just lock it in place. Okay, but check it out now. We're going to do the same to the other side, and now right here, okay, I have a little bit of tape glue here when we paint in the car. We can install the roof rack with those bolts. Stay with us and you'll see how. So we got the roof rack here, guys. We have the link in the description of the video. And right here, okay, there is a hole in the middle that we're going to install our bolts. Okay, and those are adjustable, they fit many cars. So we got a bolt that fits the thread there. You can just go to the hardware store and get that. And now, what we're going to do, just get them tight. We're using some thread locker as well. Because if you don't use thread locker, it might get loose from vibrations. Okay, here the seal. We're going to get the seal out of the groove, and you can see that's where the holes are, right here for the bolts. So it's pretty simple. Pretty simple procedure. So we're going to set it on the car like that. Install the back one as well. We're going to put some cargo and and we'll show you what it looks like. We even made a Mercedes decal on the front, so it looks like it's original one. Most people won't even know. So let's see what it looks at the end. So we got the second one ready as well. We got the 4 bolts tight, and we have the third bolt here. Okay, pretty long bolt. So let's see how it's going to look on the car now. Okay, it doesn't hit the antenna on the back. And also we need to test to see if we can open the sunroof in a little bit. So stay with us to see if we can do that, or we will just not use it. Okay, so let's see if the sunroof is going to hit now. Okay, this is all the way up. All the way up. Now we're gonna go in. Okay, and you can see everything looks pretty good. So we don't hit anything anywhere. Looks great. Works really good. It's really sturdy. You catch that thing. Okay, you can leave the car for that thing, it's not gonna break. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Don't forget to subscribe, and many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.